prison where Jones is currently incarcerated. Our crew was there yesterday morning, and they're up bright and early to meet the state capitol before starting their march.
Snowfall continues here for the Oklahoma City Metro. Snowfall is going to be sticking around until about noon here for today, so we will be watching out for that record-breaking snowfall. Afternoon temperatures.
Warren Daniels in for Allie Meyer. We're off to a slick start this new year. Snow, sleet, freezing rain, taking across most of our state right now. We just got word from Oklahoma City Public Schools that canceled all of their activities today, including sports. I didn't know they'd be playing sports on New Year's Day. Yeah, the kiddos get to go outside and play in the snow.
About hockey would be about all they do play. That's what I play like today. You know, that's part of the problem too.
That ice.
Super Foster, we know that New Year's Eve is already the most dangerous night to be out on the roads, with lots of folks going out to celebrate and coming home irresponsibly. But what was it like last night? Were there a lot of wrecks due to drinking and driving, or the icy conditions, or it looked like folks stayed home?
We had to stop taking non-injury crashes because we were overloaded in the metro.
We're looking out on Jeremy Carter right now. Cooper Foster's helping out somebody there that's stuck on a pickup is there as well. I drive a pickup. I forgot to put my bags of sand in the back of it last night, and it was a pretty slick go. Lots of cars up on the side of the road. If you do have to just spin out or get on the side of the road, what's your best advice?
If you do that, stay in the car. Don't be out taking pictures or anything like that. It's safer to have all that metal around you, because if you lost control, somebody else probably will too. So if you do that, make sure that, before you leave the house, that you have a charged cell phone and that you have gas in your car in case you do get stuck, because it may be a minute before help can get to you.
Good advice. Thank you so much for joining us this morning, and you and your crew stay safe out there this morning as well.
Super Foster.
Last night, tell us what you're seeing right now and what's your exact location.
Yeah, Emily, at the Walmart up here on Memorial and Penn, got just a blanket of snow all across the parking lot. And it's a little hard to see in the shop there, but there are some minor drifts, that are 8 or 10 inches thick, maybe a foot. It is very hazardous out. The roads are slick. I've seen a lot of cars that have slid off of the road. Traffic is moving very, very slow.
COVID-19 testing. You don't have to wait for days. Get same-day results fast. You want to save even more time? Try our new online check-in services. Complete your paperwork, upload your insurance information, and even track your wait with our live virtual wait list. Visit GoHCE.com. And this is where I actually want to take it out to Brian Winslow, who's tracking the latest around the OKC Metro. Brian, you were also out last night. Where's your location, and what can you tell us?
Yeah, Emily,
workout classes, more freedom with over 300 zero-point foods, and new.
You need a hand?
Help keep you hydrated. Get more of what you need.
You got a record coming? I got a shovel.
More holistic, more personalized, more weight loss. WW Weight Watchers Reimagined, because we tried out in southern Oklahoma. The whole system's lifting north. It's still northern Oklahoma that will now get the brunt of it for the rest of the morning. This goes until noon. Now look at our storm scanner. Roughly 10 hours and 2,000 pounds to decorate each vehicle.